Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Is eminent. You pay attention to the subsidy removal. Why should we, in good sense, in good heart, feed smugglers, be a Father Christmas to the neighboring country, and even though they say not every day is Christmas. So, the elephants, that's what's going to bring Nigeria to its nail, is the subsidy. A country that cannot pay salary, and the same potential. We are calling ourselves, I think, we did the right thing. It's in your hand as the closest people to the local government, to the grassroots. To persuade our people to have the understanding. This price will be high now, but it will go down. And any roadblock in our way of progress, we remove it. And this is another thing. The limitation about the capital projects. Where is the money going to come from? If we don't protect our resources and our boundaries, you cannot have development without capital projects. That's why it is very, very good that you are here. Equally that gets me to the leadership of the Son. Equally that gets me to the leadership of the Son. Where democracy that we must manage. I need your help in managing that democracy.
I can tell you that today is my best day. Today, I'm so happy that I'm an elected member. Seeing my president talking. In fact, I have never knew that this man is so intelligent. I have never knew that this man is so prepared to serve this country. I saw the love. I saw the character. I saw the charisma. The belief that Nigeria can be a better nation. So I am so glad that what meeting we have today is going to take us a little bit to a more stabilized house. And I'm telling you, as at now, even without talking to us again, we have agreed that we are going towards the government decision. Not minding I'm of Labour Party. As at now, the party is not the issue. We are talking about building the nation. We are talking about the unity of Nigeria. Thank you so much.
You see, without prejudice, with all due respect to anybody in Nigeria, every politician in Nigeria, before I show you the video of what Peter Obi said, what we lack in Nigeria, I have seen over the years that in Nigeria we have very short memories. We too they forget. That is because we don't spend time to research history. We don't spend time to read. We don't spend time to to meditate and ponder over issues. Before I show you the video of Peter Obi, what he said, there is a need for us to begin to look at the processes through which we become leaders in this country. That is why Peter Obi said, everybody that must answer His Excellency or Her Excellency in Nigeria must achieve that position through excellence. Yes. I cannot say because I want to be a passionate Reverend Father or I want to be a passionate bishop, I will now go, I will not go to seminary school. I will now go and bribe the bishops. They will make me a Reverend Father, and immediately they make me a Reverend Father, I will turn around and start to preach to Reverend Fathers and to Christians the need to repent, and the need to be a good Christian, and the need to go to heaven. Nobody will listen to you because you did not pass through due process to become a bishop or to become a priest. That is exactly what we see in Nigeria. The Labour Party member that was showering praises, that is an evidence of short memory. I love his ambition. He's just being overzealous as a newly elected House of Rep member. He's being overzealous. Yes, Tinubu or the presidency may be preaching peace, but we are seeing how they are going about with the peace. So it means that we have forgotten so soon how the election, how the emergence of the APC presidential candidate came about. We have short memories. We have forgotten so soon how he came on board. Nobody is talking about that. We are still seeing the seed they planted during the time of election is still manipulating. Lagos State is planning to make a law on protecting the rights of indigenous and revoking the ownership of property of people who are already living in Lagos State. These are some of the seeds they planted. The seed of destruction they planted during the campaign period. It is still working against all of us. Therefore, you cannot come around and begin to preach peace and begin to make us believe that you are a saint and begin to read good speeches and begin to read rhetorics. We want to see actions. We want to see excellency in the process. We want to see you become a president, become a governor through excellent process, through due process. Not by maneuvering and manipulating the people and then coming around to preach peace and make them believe that you are a good man. It is not done that way. That is the problem in Africa. Somebody will steal the money that is meant for the whole community, and then he will now go back to the kings and to the traditional rulers. They will give him titles, and everybody will begin to worship him. Everybody will begin to celebrate him. That is the problem we have in Africa. That is the problem we have in Nigeria. We have short memories. We easily overlook due processes, and that is why we continue to suffer over and over. Watch the video and hear what Peter Obi said. God bless you.
I'm glad you talk about to remain prayerful and to remain calm. And the reason I say this is that some prominent Nigerians, church leaders, traditional rulers, and high net worth stakeholders are saying that though there are several infractions, the outcome of the election is the way God wants it, and it should be allowed. So on one hand, you are saying remain prayerful and calm, but we'll still go to court. Others are saying for the peace of Nigeria, remain prayerful, calm, and accept this as God's will. What do you have to say to that?
Well, I'm very respectful to prominent Nigerians, especially church leaders, traditional rulers, and all that. And other men, very respectful to them. And I think they should be respected for what they represent in our society. But I disagree with them. What they're actually preaching is the problem of Nigeria. The problem of Nigeria is accepting wrongdoing, accepting what is unacceptable. That is using God's name in vain. That's not what God said. God said, do not use my name in vain. So what they're saying is not God's wish. It is not God's plan for Nigeria. So why don't we accept that the 133 million Nigerians who are poor is God's wish? Why don't we accept that 95 million Nigerians living in absolute poverty is God's wish? It is God's wish that you don't have electricity. It is God's wish that our children are kidnapped. It is God's wish that we have collapsed primary health care, leading us to be the country with the highest infant mortality. It is everything happening is God's way, not so what God says. No, God's wish is when you do the right thing. And in the end, it is not. This election was predicated and planned. And we have clear laws about the conduct of the election. If it was followed, if these results were uploaded from the booth, polling units, like they said, to the server and everything, we won't be here, we won't be talking about it. It would have been concluded in a matter of hours without anybody arguing about it. But it is not God's wish that you do the wrong thing. It is not God's wish that you go and rob a train and make money and start sharing it. It is not God's wish. This is what is killing the country. People come here, take public money, and then go and give it to people in the church and they say it's God's wish, and start giving them title in the church, title in this. That is what we are fighting. That's what we want to stop. We want God's wish to be truly God's wish, and that is when we do the right things and God gives his blessing. What we are doing now is why they come. What do you tell the young ones growing up? That is God's wish that you steal. That is God's wish that you conduct a wrong election. So tell me the difference between those of us who are doing this and the armed robbers. What is the difference between us and the trained robbers? Let's be sincere with ourselves. That's why it's God's wish that somebody came to your station and said he knows a governor who have 22 billion naira stacked, and nobody is asking about him. But we are stopping young people who are carrying computer and questioning them and calling them names. That's not God's wish. God wishes something better. What I want is God to allow us to do the right things so we can start building a better country for our children.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.